In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a QR code for your business cards. So let's get started. So first of all, I suggest you would want to create your business cards on Canva because you can import directly QR codes in here. So from here, once you're in Canva, log into your account, you want to click here on Create button on the top left, wherein you'd be able to create a size for your business card. So from here, just need to search for business card. And then you would have a template in here for business card sizes, depending on which style you prefer. So let's say I'm just going to go for this one right here, which is the most basic one, business card landscape. Next is that you want to design your business card. So from here, let's say that I just would want to go for business cards in here in the templates right there. And then I should see some of the templates in here. So let's say I'm going to go for this one, for example, right there. And now I'm just going to design this to put my my QR code somewhere in here. So let's say that I would want to go and put it somewhere right here. So now to import our QR code, you just need to go into the apps. And from here, you want to search for QR code. And then you should see this app right here. This is what I recommend. So it's a really simple app. All you have to do is enter the URL where you would want to redirect your customers when they scan your QR code. Like for example, you would want to redirect them into your business website, maybe your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is that you would want them to go. So provide it right here. For example, for this tutorial, I'm just going to go for google.com just for an example. And by the way, you can customize the background color, foreground color, and the margin if you'd want to. In my case, I don't want that. So I'm just going to go for a basic QR code, which is this one. So I'm just going to put my QR code in here, just like that. Make it small right there. Yeah, I think this one is good. And now I'm just going to go for a small text right here. Let's say this one. I'm going to go for scan me. And then I'm going to make this white to make it visible right there. And now I'm just going to go and put some arrows into it right there. And I'm going to go for elements and an arrow just so that I could indicate the QR code cleanly, just like that. Make it white to make it visible. I'm just going to flip this right there. I think that's good. And I'm going to rotate. And just like that, make it smaller and put it right here. Just make sure that the arrow is not overlapping in your QR code so that the QR code will be able to function correctly. And now from here, I'm just going to go and resize this again and reposition it to make it more prominent. And yeah, I think this one is good. And here it is. I now have my business card and with my QR code added. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching.